whatever you do not buy a Lectric e-bike. My wife and I are huge electric bike fans, and these are probably the 4th or 5th ones we've owned, and definitely the worst. So let me explain to you why you should not buy an electric e-bike. For starters, they do not go the same speed. So what we found out when riding, we've never had this issue with other e-bikes. When we're trying to ride together, one of us will be going much faster, and if you drop down to a lower speed, then you'll fall behind the other one. We've not found a combination where we can comfortably ride at the same speed. Either one of us has to pedal and then stop and wait for the other one, or vice versa. And it's been really frustrating because you can't go for a nice ride side by side together. And then another thing that happened is when my bike arrived, it came with a giant ding in the frame. You can see the stickers gouged, but it actually goes pretty deep into the metal there. It's basically damaged. And I contacted the company, and I told them basically I would like a whole new front fork or a new bike or whatever. I said, this is unacceptable to pay this much for a bike and have a huge gouge in the metal. And they told me, oh, we're really sorry, here we're gonna send you a $50, like a $50 Amazon card, or I can't remember what it was, but they were gonna give me $50 plus a new sticker pack so I could put a sticker over the thing. And they might have said they were gonna give me some paint too. So it's like, they're gonna give me $50 after I just paid over $1,000 for a bike, or, with the tax and shipping and everything. So very unhappy with their customer service. And now,
did you get it?
Yeah, oh, that's the other thing. They never sent us any of those things that they said. They said they were gonna give us the $50 credit and the sticker and the paint. Never arrived. That was last year. That was months and months ago. And we've only had these bikes about a year, and we've only ridden them because it's not really that enjoyable to ride them together. We've only ridden them probably 10 times each. And now I come out to ride my bike again, and guess what? It won't turn on. Here's the power button. You just push that down and it comes right on. No power. I checked the battery. I'll show you that the battery's charged. If the battery's not charged, this will turn from green to red. So we'll plug this guy in. As you can see, it stays green, showing that the battery is charged, or at least it's not accepting a charge, but there's no power to the bike whatsoever. So now I have to figure out how to get this fixed. I shipped an e-bike once before, and they're stinking heavy, and they cost, I think it was upwards of $300 to ship. So if I was to ship it back to the company, it's going to cost me at least probably $300 or more.
If they agree to fix it at all.
Yeah, if they'll even agree to fix it. Like I said, wasn't real happy with their customer service before. And then, so the other thing is now I have this giant heavy bike that won't turn on, and we don't live anywhere that can fix e-bikes, so I probably have to drive 2 or 3 hours to find a city big enough where they have a person to fix it, and who knows how much that's going to cost. And this is after only 10 rides. And these have been stored indoors all the time. They're always stored in my shop. As you can see, it's been stored right beside my wife's e-bike, which will turn on. Hold the button down, comes right on. So it's not like, it was too cold and it killed the battery, because it should be the same components, and this one still works fine. So yeah, I would be really cautious before ordering a bike from Lectric, and we have been very unhappy with our experience, and we're probably going to look into some other brand of e-bikes in the future. So I hope this helped you. I hope this helps you make up your mind, and at least gives you a little bit of caution before just jumping in and buying one of these. All right, I hope everyone has a great day. God bless.